Good morning, party people. It's bright and early. Oh, back up. So this morning's workout is gonna be really hard and fast. We got a busy day today, gotta be productive. So this morning I'm gonna do a 45-minute session, legs, high intensity legs training. The reason this is not as the last video said, how I'm gonna be doing short and heavy, is I pinched a nerve in my back, which is not ideal. So I'm not gonna lift heavy this week. I'm giving my body a chance to sort of like repair its central nervous system. So I'm gonna do some high intensity, fast-paced legs. Let's do it. So this workout's gonna be super simple. All we're gonna need is our bodies. So you've got one of those. I've got kettlebells and I've got one plate. A lot of this is gonna be focused around this area. A lot of stepping, lunging, stepping up movements. So we're gonna go through and do some like pistol squat variations, Bulgarian split squats, as well as like some sissy lunges. All high intensity, getting in, getting it done with minimal impact, but maximum output. Sissy lunges here, keeping the tension on the quads almost the entire time, rather than really lunging out and getting that full stretch. Shorter movement means the quad maintains the tension the whole way through. First set I'm just doing body weight there. Second set I'm actually going to do with a kettlebell for extra resistance. Not going super heavy, it's a 12 kilo kettlebell. Again, just to get that movement, the blood flowing. High socks make it easier, I find. Alright, this is my fourth working set here. So the first set body weight, then 4 sets with the weight here. You can see I'm going through and doing 12 reps up, 12 reps back. So 6 each leg, 12 total. You do the math. Okay, next up we got 2 different pistol squat variations. First one here, grab my weight plate. This is a 15 kilo weight plate right here. For those of you playing at home, leaning forwards, back up, alternating legs. Alternating here between 2 different variations. This is more of a traditional pistol. Again, same weight plate. Let's hold this up in front of the chest and down to the standard pistol squat. On a vagabond, you try to confide it, but you'll never deny it. Above and below, the cattle break down into a... The beauty of pistol squats is it's not only a leg thing, it also engages a lot of your core, particularly holding the plate there, having to stabilize. The first one where you're dipping in, there's a lot of instability there. So not only are you getting a leg workout, your hip flexors are being engaged right through your core, even a little bit of arms just to hold that in place. So it really is a very holistic approach to leg training. Break these chains and make an X. Believe me when I say I'm not sorry. This is your last regret. We're gonna break these chains and make an X. So step on up and take your place today. Okay, next up we're going to do some step ups here with the plate. We're going to do this as an overhead press too, some shoulder stability, again through the core, but stepping up. Now the key to these ones is keeping up, keep the shoulders in position, brace your core, and making sure your chest is upright the whole way through. You're not dipping forwards or backwards in your step ups, otherwise the plate will really throw you out of balance. One minute break. Okay, so the last exercise we are doing here, Bulgarian split squats. If you haven't done these before, introduce them into your leg day and hate me later. These are a killer. My minute break is up. I'm still out of breath. It's a terrible sign. So By doing these, both with weight and then drop setting straight into body weight, you're keeping that time on attention, meaning you're getting through the work a lot quicker. And my God, does it hurt. You know that the leg day is going well when your shorts are getting shorter and shorter, as the thighs are getting more and more blood into them.
Who wears shorts?
Meow, 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 meow. I may as well not wear shorts. No one wants to see that video. It's not a pretty angle.
Is this better?
So much more flattering. We're done. As I said, 45 minutes in and out. I'm sweaty, I'm pumped. This is a great workout if you are short on time and also short on equipment. You don't need to have a full squat rack. You don't need to have a heap of floor space to lunge. All you need here is the 2 kettlebells, a weight plate and a bench. Hope you guys have enjoyed this one. As always, give the video a like. Give me some a bit of feel good for the work we put in here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.